high school chemistry had a lot of concept for us to understand. And one of them is the pH level. Whenever I took a chemistry class and it went over these concept of pH level, I was fascinated and looking like a nerd while doing it. Ohlone is very famous for its nursing program, so I believe this will be very beneficial for many of you. As a nursing major, I've researched through my research with many of my medical friends who are in med school currently, so I can speak about this today. As proven in many research, there is a need for exploration in the pH level in human body. So today I'll be introducing you to the importance of the homeostasis and its connection to pH level, the function of your stomach, and the changes to the pH level in your stomach, and a medication that can be beneficial or harmful. So homeostasis, we homeotherms, aka warm blood, maintain our body heat through generating or losing body heat through a process called homeostasis. It is important that we keep this loop of cycles because we need to shiver when we're cold, and we need to sweat when we're hot, and when it gets too hot and we get like heat stroke. So, and if we don't keep this cycle, then well, we die. Well, why is this connecting to pH level then, you might ask? Well, our homeostasis connect to pH level because our organ uses the pH level. Our kidneys, a very important organ that connects to homeostasis, actually uses a function to detect your blood pH level to pump out like the acid and base throughout our urine. And another organ that is very important to our immune system and digestive system and overall homeostasis is our stomach through a very unique environment. Now that we speak a little bit about homeostasis, let's talk about the stomach. Our stomach main function is digesting food for nutrient, and nutrition, which then we can use for our sensors in homeostasis. We also uses it in our immune system, which kills the bacteria. It's like a gatekeeper in our immune system. It kills off the bacteria because how acidic your stomach acid is. Well, what is the changes in pH level matters? Because when your stomach acid is in a very acidic state, then, well, it creates effects like bloating, heartburn, all kinds of stuff that you don't want in your body. Well, what if it's too base? Well, it can lead towards bacterial overgrowth or leading towards cancer or stuff like that, et cetera, that you do not want your immune system to be vulnerable. A medication that is very beneficial and used very commonly in the US is actually antacid, a medicine that is base, that can basically neutralize our stomach acid by changing the pH level to a balanced level of 2. Well, a research in 2021 by a professor that studied gastroenterology, a study that is like basically the stomach, proves that the antacid that is used in US is 97% beneficial to our stomach when our stomach is more acidic than its basic form. Well, Well, why can it be harmful? Like what I just said, when your stomach gets too base, and when you overuse these medicines, it can lead towards bacterial overgrowth, all kind of stuff, which then leading towards this medicine being harmful to you. In conclusion, it is important that we maintain a balanced pH level for our body for survival. If you keep an unbalanced diet or overusing medicines, it can lead towards all kind of damages toward your immune system, digestive system, all kind of stuff. It is proven by people's research that in order to discover more medicines that benefits the human body, there's a need to explore these substances that changes people's body, which is why I'm going into these field to study these medicines. And remember, we're only reaching a surface. Imagine what we can do with the peak of medicines.